Sorry, I've been having a little trouble finding these new classrooms. Anyways, I'm Blair. I'm a student worker at the Office of Distance Education here at Colorado Mesa University. Over the past couple weeks, our office has been working closely with your instructors to help move their face-to-face classes into fully online classes. We've been working hard and making great strides at this, and we continue to help out those instructors and students just like you to help make this transition time in everybody's learning a little bit more easier. As mentioned before, I'm a student, just like you. I'm a senior kinesiology K-12 teaching major, and just like you, I've been trying to figure out how to make the best out of this big change in my learning. I'm fortunate enough to be working with such great people over at Distance Ed, and during my time there, I've learned so many tips, tricks, and resources on how to make the best out of online learning. And that's what I want to share with you in these upcoming videos, how to make the best out of your online learning. I'll be covering a variety of topics in these upcoming videos, but please feel free to reach out to us by emailing us at distanceed@coloradomesa.edu if you have any topics or any subjects that you want us to cover in these upcoming videos.